What's going on YouTube? My name's Soy Ricardo and welcome to another episode of Okay, so if you've never seen an episode of Stitch and Fix, basically what we do in this type of episodes, we basically show a lot of the footage that we haven't used in other videos or just footage that I've shot trying to make a blog. Basically, any footage that was never used in any of my videos gets to be used here. Try to make some sort of story about it. And that's it. We have done 5 other episodes before. If you have not seen those, I will link these up right here to the whole collection of the 5 episodes of Stitch and Fix since the very first one. Now, if you're also new here, and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, sharing this video. That really helps out a lot. Okay, so let's just go ahead and dive into it. All right, see you on the other side. Peace. It is 7:35 in the morning on the very last day of 2020. And to make things a little bit worse, I have to finish this book today. A couple of weeks back, I gave myself the goal to finish this book before the end of the year. But as any procrastinator, I didn't do it right away. And I have been lagging when it comes to reading, to be honest. So I have a little bit to go. We have 24 hours to do it, and hopefully I can finish reading this book today. We're also traveling, so we have to take that into consideration. And yeah, welcome to the new blog. What's up, guys? So we're about a quarter of the way there. It's really cold, and it's been raining really hard. So yeah, I haven't read any pages from the book, so we'll see how it goes. Babe, you have anything to say? Hola. Mira el pinito.
Ay, mira qué bonito.
Reloj esto.
Mira, bien rojo que estoy. Todo esto, mijo. ¿Alcohol? No, cállate.
Algo así.
We're gonna eat.
I'm not even that hungry.
No. Prueba el pozole, ¿no?
I'm not even that hungry.
Prueba el pozole.
This is New Year's. Welcome to the blog. Have I finished the book?
No.
Not yet, but we still have a couple of hours.
We're not gonna sit down and read.
Why not?
We're gonna play loteria, a drinking game, we're gonna pop fireworks.
I'm gonna finish it. All right. Let's go to the party. What's up, guys? Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2021. Now I have some good news and I also have some bad news. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off with the bad news. and that is that I did not get to finish my book yesterday.
I'm gonna finish it.
Being together with family, I think it's a little bit more important than finish off one little goal that I had set myself. So that's that. The good news is what's up, guys? It's snowing outside, and we're gonna take the drone up. See what we get. I'm gonna take the camera. Meditating I'm trying to do some work there. All right. Okay. It's snowing really, really hardcore. We're gonna go and try to fly the drone. So let's go.
Super cold.
You ready to be out here? It is snowing really, really hardcore here. I'm never taking pictures in the snow, so if I slip, it's gonna be my fault. Let me take some photos. What's up, guys? I have a confession to make. I was scared to fly the drone. I was scared to fly the drone yesterday. We're gonna fly it today. Since I didn't get to fly the drone yesterday because I was a little scared because it was snowing really, really hard. And well, I never really flown a drone in the snow. I didn't know what were the limitations of the drone, and I obviously didn't want to lose it and break it. It is probably like the second most expensive equipment that I have in my studio, besides obviously my computer and and my camera. But yeah, I was basically scared. I took it up and right back down, maybe less than a minute. So we're gonna go out and fly today. All right, guys, since I felt a little bad about not flying the drone yesterday, at least because half of it because I was a little bit scared and I was freezing because it was snowing super hard. Plus, I've never flown my drone in snow. We live in Texas, so we never see that type of weather here. So it was definitely something that I wasn't used to. So I decided just to take it up for half a second and then bring it back down. But I felt like flying the drone.